So please advise pair trading tips and tricks using IDSS and other indicators to grow your bag. So from S22, watch all my Patreon exclusive videos for that type of stuff. That's where I share all the tips and tricks. But just look at this real quick. This is IDSS on the Tesla MicroStrategy pair. You can see very clearly I drew in 2 red lines to show you where the green buy signals are. This is on the 4-hour chart. You buy at the bottom, you sell at the top. The pair here runs from the ratio of, I can hardly see. I can't see, I'm blind on this one. But it should be close to between, I don't know why I can't see that. Either it's a percentage or something else. Anyway, but that's typically how I do it. That's Tesla divided by MicroStrategy. Now, it's also very, very important. Another view of this is here. Typically, you can, at the very bottom of the range, again, Tesla divided by MicroStrategy, you buy when you get a green buy flag, and you sell at the red sell flag at the tops and bottoms. And then you use the mean reversion, you use the trend to determine the exact timing of when you do that. You zoom into the 15-minute or 5-minute chart, and then you execute. And at the top, you sell your Tesla from MicroStrategy. But the problem we have now, this is kind of interesting. It's not like you could do this for the last 5 years, but we're in a very transformational, exponential time, which makes it dangerous to do this. Let me explain. I call this jumping in front of a freight train. If Tesla nails FSD by year end, price could go to infinity. Okay. Elon Musk has said multiple times this year, they are real close and he believes they will nail it by year end. He also said that they're rolling out FSD globally right now. China, Korea, Denmark, all throughout Europe. You know, every roadway is different with signs and everything else. That's crazy confidence to be able to roll this technology out all over the world pretty much at the same time. But that's how confident they are. So it's insane. So remember, even though Bitcoin has a very bright future, which I covered today, we could go, in 2.5 years to 150K, hypothetically, theoretically, based on previous history. Not a guarantee. Or we could go to 69K. But this is the problem. These are exponential times in AI. If they nail this, you don't want to be losing the Tesla bag. Therefore, I am hesitant to swap. Normally I do swap between Bitcoin and Tesla, but I'm not doing it this time.